Is your Maxxair fan doing the beeping death? If so, I'll show you an easy way to fix it for just $15. What's up everyone, Mike from Wonderlost. I have a quick video that'll hopefully save you a lot of frustration. First off, I apologize if the audio is bad. I'm running the AC because it's summer and it's almost 100 degrees outside. So I'll try to eliminate as much of the background noise as possible in the post. Has your Maxxair fan started doing the beeping death? You'll turn it on, the fan starts, and the cover opens. Then all of a sudden it shuts off and it just keeps beeping. The remote doesn't work, the buttons on the fan don't work, it just keeps beeping and beeping. The only way to shut it up is to disconnect the power and turn off the fan to do a hard reset. The most annoying part is that you never know when it's gonna happen. Sometimes the fan will work fine, then all of a sudden it shuts off and starts beeping. The worst is when it happens at night when you're trying to sleep. Then you have to get out of bed and physically disconnect the power. Super annoying. It seems to happen more in the colder months, but this makes sense, which I'll get into later. I've been dealing with this issue for about 2 years until I fixed it about a year ago. It's been good ever since I did the fix. The reason the fan is doing that is because of fluctuations in the van or RV voltage. These fans need to run at 12 volts and the circuitry is very sensitive to over and under voltages. The 12 volt battery system in your camper can fluctuate wildly. Many things can cause wild fluctuations in your van, such as if you run something power hungry like turning on your microwave, or the voltage just drops when the battery gets cold. These big swings in voltages will cause the Maxxair fan to shut down and beep continuously. Mine used to do this so much that I installed a on and off switch to easily cut the power to the fan. This makes it easy to reset the fan, but it's a temporary fix. Here's how to fix it once and for all. All you need to do is install a 12 volt regulator to the fan. This specific regulator will take voltages from 8 to 40 volts and output a constant 12 volt 6 amp. I'll put a link in the description below, but make sure you get the 6 amp version because the fan can draw up to 5 amps when the power of the fan is on high and is raising the cover. So if you get one that doesn't have enough amps, your fan will start beeping again. Make sure you use some nice butt connectors and crimp it properly. Avoid using electrical tape because the bumpy van could cause sparks if you have a bad connection. Installing it is super easy. The regulator comes with 4 pre-installed wires. The 2 black wires go to the common ground of your system, and the red wire comes from your 12 volt battery, the unregulated power. The yellow wire coming out of the regulator is the new 12 volt regulated source, and that is connected to your fan. It's a super easy fix to a super annoying problem, and best of all, it only costs 15 bucks. By the way, in this whole time I've been in the van, I've been running a little experiment by powering my whole van, including the AC, off my Anker F3800 solar generator with 2200 watts of solar power. This video took about 2 hours to set up and shoot, and I've only used about 11% of the power. If you're interested in this kind of stuff, make sure you subscribe, as I'll be making a video about the Anker F3800, how we use it in the van and how we hook it up to power our entire house. If you found this video helpful, please give me a like and subscribe, or share the video with someone who's having issues with their fan. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.